In this video, I want to show you what the Researcher app can do for you. Open in front of me is the website researcher-app.com. Never miss important research. Keeping up to date with research can feel impossible, with papers being published faster than you'll ever be able to read them. That's where Researcher comes in. We're simplifying discovery. With over 15,000 journals across 10 research areas, just choose which journals you want to follow and we'll create you a personalized feed. So it sounds nice, eh? You can get it on Google Play, App Store, App Gallery. So here, this is what the interface looks like on your phone. I'll also show you a few screenshots later. And then these are the 10 research areas. So now you can log in to the website. This is my personal account. I'm on the home page, and here are all my feeds that I've set up. So if I click on one of them, it gives me the whole list of papers that was fed into this feed, this personalized feed of mine. You can bookmark them, and then they are going to appear on your bookmark section. So here's the list of papers that I've bookmarked. And when I click on one of them, I can access the full text. Gives you the URL, DOI. And here we have our recommended papers. If they look appropriate, I can bookmark them as well. And here's the list of journals. So these are the journals that I follow, but there are many, many, many others. So when you set up your feed, you decide which journals you want to follow. And here's the trending tab in each of the areas, what's trending at the moment. You can search for new papers, and then you have your settings. Now what's very nice is you can install a Chrome plugin, which means that when I'm on a website such as this one, and I read an abstract, and I find that this abstract is really valuable for my research, then I can click on this Chrome plugin, and then Researcher will search for related papers, which is really useful. And those papers you can use, read, find the full texts. And again, if this is a related area of interest, I just highlight, I click on Researcher, and it finds related papers. But now let me show you what the app looks like. So I've taken a whole bunch of screenshots of the app on my phone. This is my home screen. Here you can see my feeds. You've got, here's a tab for journals, all publications, and the ones that I'm following. You can choose which publications you're going to follow. These are the various lists in the area of orthopedics and sports medicine. And this is, for example, my single leg squat feed. And this is all on my phone. So you have access to all this on your phone. You scroll down, and I entered into one of these articles that looked interesting. You can read the abstract, get the full text, decide to share it with somebody. And here are your related papers, and you can bookmark each of these. Now these are the list of journals that I'm following. The trending papers, trending in research at the moment. This is all the new papers that came in, the ones that I bookmarked, and these are the force plate. I've created a folder in my bookmarked section called force plates, so you can even organize your papers. And these are the settings. It links with Mendeley and Zotero, your reference managers, which is quite nice. Just the various settings, you can manage your data. And this is your dashboard. And you can even link it with your org ID, which means your own publications are being pulled into the app as well. So if you are in the corridor having a quick meeting and somebody asks you about how you did something, and you in a previous paper of your study, you can quickly share with them the specific article right there and then. This is a lovely app. I think every researcher should have it on their phone. install the plugin, go and play around with it. I think there's lots to learn. It's really a valuable app. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.